I had problems with teeth since I was a child, so we had not the greatest dentists and all that, not the greatest equipment, and I didn't care much. So after they got broken and all that.
Ray just came into me and he'd had years of his teeth kind of cracking and falling apart, and we kind of discussed about what the options were. And because he's quite a young guy, what I always look is I'm looking for preservation. So with surgeries, we hope that this lasts you forever, but nothing in dentistry does, and we give a 20-year guarantee, so I know I got to make sure it lasts that long. So I always want to give people whatever the simplest, most conservative option is, and what that means is preserve as much tissue and bone as possible. So we kind of had that discussion, what kind of treatments are available to him. Unfortunately, those teeth just weren't savable, so that's why we kind of went down the implant route.
I couldn't eat much, like an apple, for example. I couldn't bite properly, like a really hard foods and all that.
And when you go down the implant route, there's lots of different ways of doing full mouth implants. We did for him what's called FP1. So these are where you get the teeth only and we shape your own gums. They look super natural, super aesthetic, and it's not possible for everyone, but for a young, healthy guy like himself, it's the best option, because if something ever happens in future, the next type of full arch surgery is available, because we've held on to so much tissue and bone, and we know that'll last as well. So we discussed, we talked about it. It kind of was a no-brainer for him because he just wanted to restore his smile, and we did the surgery. The surgery went super well. We fitted his temps the next day, and I swear it was like looking at a different man, because all of a sudden you go from when he's smiling, his teeth are hiding, and you can see it in the photo, to when the after photo, when he smiles, all of a sudden you can see right up to the top of the gums, and that's pride in your smile, and that's something I'm really proud that we were able to restore for him.
I can eat whatever I want, no issues at all. After surgery, there's no pain as well. And before, I had loads of pain, like nearly every second day. Now, after surgery, none.
And hope that lasts him a lifetime, and he gets a lifetime of memories out of that smile as well. Anytime he gets that opportunity to smile right up to the gum line, that's like a signature for me in every photo in his life, and that's something I'll hold and cherish forever.
Would you recommend Dr. Jimmy and the practice to others considering dental implants?
Oh yeah, of course, if the job is done perfectly.
Is there anything you'd like to say to someone who's hesitant about getting full mouth implants?
I would say just to go ahead. Like, I was thinking as well, maybe not to do it, but I'm just 30 years old, so I was like, nah, I need to do it. Still have to live, you know? Just go ahead and do it.